Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, guys, I'm going to explain to you how to work on Mailchimp. So this video is going to be quick and easy and very much simple. First of all, guys, we are going to start working on Mailchimp. So we need to go right here into the campaign one right here, so as you can see. And basically, Mailchimp is a tool that helps you send emails. So we need to create a campaign first. Let's create it from here and choose which kind of campaign would you like to create. I'm going to choose email one. Of course, you can create any automations, website, landing page, creative assistant, but we're going to focus on the email side because it is one of the main reasons why people actually use this platform. Here, I'm going to start with a basic layout for my email, and I'm going to choose, for example, this one, apply. Here we go. And I'm going to keep it as it is. I'm going to simply click on save and exit. But in your case, make sure to fill it with all the necessary information that will be shown to your contact or basically your client or whatever are the fields of people that you're going to send them to. Here to send to resolve error, of course, click on resolve error. I'm going to go here, save and exit. Save as template, yep. I'm going to template 1, return to campaign. So let me just go back into the campaign. Yeah, save and exit. There we go. And here it is. So here we need to choose the audience. In case you don't have audience, they will show you here creates audience. In my case, I do have one already that has been created in one of the previous videos. Here, subject, I'm going to pick a subject. Normally, before we get into the subject, we need to actually add here save. And after that, here I'm going to choose subject and I'm going to name it, for example, promotion. So this campaign is going to be for as a promotion. Click on save. And once I've done that, here make sure to fix the content issues that you have. In my case, I don't have any content. I'm just randomly doing this for the tutorial. Of course, you have to fix it. Once everything is set and settled, click on send, and there you go. This is how you can start working on Mailchimp. Thank you guys a lot, and see you guys in the next video.